Hello class 9 students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you the chapter 2 polynomials. Let us start the chapter. Wait. First subscribe my channel. Have you subscribed? So let us start this chapter. Clear? Polynomial is made up of two words. First word is poly. Meaning of poly is many. And plus second word is nomial. Nomial means terms. So the meaning of polynomials is the expression having many terms is called the polynomial. Clear? You know monomial. Monomial is the expression having only one term. Binomial, the expression having two terms. Trinomial, the expression having three terms. If we exclude monomial, then binomial, trinomial, next quadrinomial, all are called polynomial. In polynomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, all are called polynomial. Clear? Now, how would you recognize the given expression is polynomial? Polynomial always retain in the power of positive integer. F to power 3 plus f to power 2 plus f to power 1 plus 1. This is a polynomial. And the polynomial is written in the form of Px. If the polynomial retained in the following way, such as f to power minus 3 plus f to power 2 plus f plus 1, it is not a polynomial because the power of f is negative. Polynomial is not retained in the negative power. Number 2 is, if f is retained in fractional power, like this is also not a polynomial. Third is, if f is retained in the power of under root f plus 3, it is also not a polynomial because f is retained in the under root form. Number 4 is, if f is retained in the form of denominator 1 upon it is also not a polynomial. In the 4 cases, the polynomials will not be clear. Polynomial always is retained in the form of positive integer. Now the next is degree of the polynomial. Let us suppose f to power 3 plus f to power 9 plus f to power 6 plus f to power 2 plus f plus 1. What will be degree? Degree means the expression having the maximum power of f. maximum power of x is 9, so the degree of this polynomial will be 9. Degree of this polynomial will be 9 because the maximum power of x is 9. Understood degree? If x to power 3 plus x to power 6 plus x to power 9, the maximum power of x is 9, so degree is 9. Next topic is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Let us suppose a polynomial is written in the form of x square minus 2x plus 1. If x equal to 1. Let us suppose this x equal to 1. If I put this value x equal to 1 in this polynomial, replace x by 1, replace x by 1 square minus 2 into replace x by 1 plus 1 square minus 2 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So on putting this value, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. So this is called, x equal to 1 is called the 0 of this polynomial. X equal to 1 is called the 0 of this polynomial. X equal to 1 is not itself 0, but it will make the value of the polynomial equal to 0. So it is called the 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Understood? Now the types of polynomials. Let us suppose this polynomial is x square plus 2x plus 1. Another polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. In this polynomial, the maximum power of x is 2, so degree of this polynomial is 2. And in this polynomial, the maximum power of x is 3, so degree of this polynomial is 3. If degree is 2, this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial, so its degree is 2. And if the degree is 3, this type of polynomial is called cubic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial, this is quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic and this is cubic polynomial. And if quadratic polynomials becomes 0, let us suppose x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This polynomial is equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation. And if the cubic polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3, if it is equal to 0, this is called cubic equation and this is quadratic equation. If not equal to 0, this is called quadratic polynomial and this is called cubic polynomial. Understood?